Hey guys, you want to watch me make something that might taste really good? I mean, it might taste really bad, and I'll be honest with you. But listen, hear me out. I love junk food. I just love candy. I love cookies. I love cake. I love muffins. I love all of it. So I try my best to make it healthier-ish and homemade-ish, right? So I got this. I mean, this is a complete experiment. I kind of tried it a little bit a couple weeks ago and it was pretty good. So I'm going to add to it now. So I got myself a box of, this is almond flour, banana muffin, and bread mix. And I mixed, I'll show you and then show you. So I just mixed, and I'll put the parts in here. If it's good, I'll give you the full recipe. But I mixed all my goodies. Some collagen, which by the way, you can cook with collagen and it won't denature it as long as you heat it up in like your coconut milk first, right? Let it sit for a second. Oh, and then last but not least, some fiber. All of this isn't necessary, but I'm thinking it's going to make it like a dense breakfast fiber and protein banana muffin, right? Okay, so I'll let you know. So right now I'm just mixing my eggs. Again, I'll put all of the ingredients in there. Hi, Rocky, did you want to come help me? And all of the powders are right here, dry. And the coconut milk mixed with the collagen. So I'm going to mix all this together. I mean, it's a mess. It's a mess, but I'm hoping it's going to be glorious. And then we're going to top it off with bananas. So let's see where this goes. I mean, if it's delicious and nutritious, I mean, I'm going to be having muffins all the time, right? So and also, by the way, if you know any recipes that, and listen, I'm not some cook. I mean, I don't even have all the right, cooking utensils, but I know what tastes good, and that is what matters. So if we can make this taste good, I made sure to measure everything. That way, if it is good, I can show you guys. Because typically whenever I make something, I can never recreate it because I just kind of wung it together. And then people will be like, that was really good. What was in there? And I'm like, I don't know. You're never going to have that again. But this time, I remembered what I did. Oh, yeah, just for you. All right, so I'm going to go ahead. It's already looking really yummy. By the way, you can kind of see, oops. It's a little bit mushy and gooey, but I think that's what we need. Did you get scared about something? Come over here. Let me go get him. What happened? Did you get scared? I know. Come over here. Come here. Oh, the biscuit boy. Oh, the biscuit boy doesn't want to be alone over there. He got scared. He got scared. All right. Okay. This is looking good. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in. I got some muffin right here. Last time I did not line the muffins and they stuck, although it tasted very good. This time I want to be able to take them to go with me. And then, where's the, oh, here we go. Anything that's left over, I'm going to pour in here. Because I think that's going to turn out pretty dense. One thing I also learned is you don't put the bananas on until about 10 minutes before it's done. Because then it's too soggy. Lesson learned. All right, I'm going to cook this up. It looks bad. I have a feeling it's going to taste really, really delicious. I will let you know. How's he doing back there? You doing okay, biscuit boy? You doing okay? He got scared. All right, I'll be right back. I just filled it up. I ate some of the batter too, just to make sure it was sweet enough. And I think it's perfectly sweet because of the vanilla bean. So this is full, right? I read that when you're cooking with collagen, that it's more dense and heavy and it weighs it down. So I wanted to make sure and fill it up. And I got a little bit left over. Actually, a good amount left over. So I'm going to pour it into this. I mean, look at this. 12 muffins. I mean, I'm excited because, like, after I teach in the morning, I'm really hungry. And I mean, I do love a good smoothie, but come on. Like, I want to eat something. I want to chew something. And it's not like I can just like take a hamburger to work, right? So a muffin after work, oh, so good. Heck yeah. Next up, we're gonna make some protein cookies. We're gonna start with the muffins, see how this turns out. There's a lot of fiber in here too. I'm gonna add up exactly how much protein and fiber is in here. I also added an extra egg. Yeah. Okay. Halfway homemade. Hello. Okay, so this is looking good. I'm gonna pop this in the oven, 350. And I'll just keep an eye on it because this says here 15 to 20 minutes or until the muffin bounces back. We'll see. I'm so excited. I can't wait to eat it. All right, I'll let you know. It's going in. Okay, they've been in there for like 7 minutes already, and they're looking big. They're resin. Look at that one. I think it's gonna be good, guys. I have a feeling about this. Hurry, I'm hungry. They're about ready to come out of the oven, and they look puffy. Good too. Look at her. I like all the little speckles from the hemp and flax seeds. Okay, so I probably only have just a few minutes left to cook them. So what I'm gonna do here is just put some bananas on the top. I don't need them to be fully cooked into it. It's just more of a little addition at the top because it makes it extra sweet and pretty, which matters. And these are, I think I'm gonna call them my Monday morning muffins. You wanna know why? Because Monday morning, you don't wanna do anything. It's Monday morning. But you do gotta get up and get going because it's good for you to get out there and go get whatever done you need to get done. Even if it's getting things done, self-care, right? But you gotta get up and you gotta get your day going, and you need some protein, you need some nutrients. And listen, I am not the best with nutrition. I try, but I think also because I work out so much, I crave junk food. I crave heavy things. And if I'm not prepared, if I don't have something made already, I'll just kind of grab whatever. And I keep it in moderation as far as gluten and sugar, just because my body doesn't like that. But it's still, it'll make me feel just a little bloated and off, right? Not as energetic. So these are my Monday morning muffins because I think Monday mornings, you want to treat yourself a little bit because you're getting ready for the day. You're getting ready for the week. And you want to be able to say hello to your week. Oh God, these are looking so good. I'm just going to pop them back in there. I topped these off with a little bit of banana, I'll show you, and some honey. You don't have to do that at all. Or you could even use maple syrup if you want. But look at them. Are you ready? On the count of 3, 2, 1. Right? All right, they're going back in. I mean, it made a lot. I mean, that's 12 muffins. 1, 2, 3, 4, that's 8. I mean, I might even share some of these. Yeah, if you come to my Monday class, 6 a.m., I might give you a Monday muffin. Okay, I'm popping them in. I'll let you know at the end. I still haven't tasted them yet, but I can tell you they're gonna be good. I know. I'm gonna see if the dogs wanna go for a quick loop. Do you guys wanna go for a quick loop? Yeah? You think they do? Yeah? Yeah? You can go for a quick loop? Is that a yes? Just a little quick one? Well, our Monday morning muffins are almost done. We're gonna take them out of the oven. We're gonna let them sit. We'll go for a little walk, and then we'll come back and we'll taste our muffins. Do you wanna help? You do? All right. They're done. Okay, so they're done. I'm gonna take them out right now and then take them out right now. And we'll be back. I mean, this is a fun project. I know, work on. Gotta have patience. Okay, so we just got back from taking a walk and they have been sitting here cooling off and I can't wait any longer. I will tell you, the moment I walked through the door, it smelled so freaking good. It smelled like Oklahoma. Okay, I'm not gonna do a muffin. Oh, a little banana peel. Okay, I'm going to do this right here. Oh, let me show you. I didn't even show you. What kind of cook am I? I'm not sharing with the people. Okay, beautiful, beautiful. I will say I wished I would have put the bananas on top a little bit sooner, but that's okay. Lesson learned every time, just learning a little bit more. It's always a practice, just like in workout. Never a perfect, always a practice. Okay, it's coming out. I'm just doing it with like a little knife too. Look at that. Okay, it's hot. It's hot. I might have to wait a second, but I'm impatient right now. I don't want to. Okay, I'm just going to take a bite because I need to know. You need to know. I'm impatient. I feel like if I put a little bit of grass-fed butter on this and maybe even a little bit of maple syrup, it would be really good too. Get a little banana in there. Let's see. Are we ready? I'm ready. Are you ready? On the count of 3. It smells good. On the count of 2. 1. I'm not going to be dramatic. Let me get just one more. Hold on. I'm not sure. I mean, it tastes healthy. I can taste all the healthiness in it. It tastes, you know what it tastes like? It tastes like a healthy, something you're proud of knowing is doing good for you. I mean, I like it though. I think it might taste better when it cools off. I mean, clearly I like it. It might, let me get a little honey on it. It's not super sweet. So I think with a little grass-fed butter and a little bit more honey, it'd be sweet if you wanted it. But I'm gonna take this last bite, hold on. That's the dessert flavor I was going for. All right. I mean, I'm impressed. Are you impressed? Rocky, are you impressed? He's taking a nap again. They're tired today. Okay, but really, I mean, they're cute, right? Okay, I'm gonna take this one upstairs, go watch my show. I taught 3 classes today, and I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I'm probably not gonna be sharing too many of these because I wanna taste them all week long. I wanna see if it helps me with my habits of not just like hurrying up and grabbing something. And I'm gonna see how I feel, and I will let you know how I feel too. But I mean, obviously they're good. I keep picking at them. Okay, yeah, I'm proud of these. Okay, I am gonna share the recipe. I told myself, if they're good, I'll share the recipe. If not, I won't. They're good. Actually, I think when they cool off, they're gonna be a little bit better. Guys, I mean, this is TMI. I have not taken a shower. That's bad, huh? I just came home, worked, tired, hungry. I just got to like, in the kitchen. I was like, let me get this done. All right, last bite. I'm done. It's good. It's good.